Hello friends, today we will learn how to use column and columns function in Excel. This is very similar to row and rows function. Row function gives us the row number of selected cells, and column function will give us the column number of selected cells. So let's see. Column. So it says that returns the column number of our reference. Suppose if I give him P P2, so it will give me column number. It's 16 number. If I give A1, so A is my first column, it will give me one number. And similar for columns, but columns will work on array. Columns. See, so if I select an array, I selected three columns, so it will give me three numbers. Three number here. So basically, it will check the array and give me total number of columns in that array. So let's apply that. I have already done it here. Let me delete this first. Okay. So I will use the column function with Vlookup and make it dynamic. Vlookup. I will derive the students 1, 2 until 10, the score and percentage. So my lookup value is score. Let me freeze this, comma. My table array is this one, comma. So I need the column index number. So student 1 is at column 2 in this table, second column. So I will use column function. Column. For second column I have B, so I can give any number in B. Let me give B10. So this will give me two number. Let us check it. Select the column function and press F9 from keyboard. So you can see that it's showing 2. Control Z to reverse it, comma. For exact match we will use 0 and close the bracket. Press Ctrl Enter. So guys, you can see that we have derived the data using column function. So we need not to put manual column index number. Instead of that we can use column function. Now let me use columns function instead of column. We look up, my lookup value is this, comma. My array will be this, comma. So I will use columns. It's asking for an array, so I have to select two cells. So and let me freeze the first one. So if I check this using F9, it's showing 2. Control Z. For exact match we will use 0, bracket 1, enter. So you can see now I have taken the data using VLOOKUP and columns function. So this is dynamic columns function, and we need not to change the column index number manually. Let us check the formula text. This is for column, this is for columns. So guys, this is a very small function, but it is very useful when it's used with other formulas in Excel. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.